Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Nhi.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
What is your surname?
My surname is Da.
Okay, show me all the differences you can see.
In the picture 1, the boy is sleeping. In the picture 2, the boy is reading. In the picture 1, the rucksack is closed. In the picture 2, the rucksack is open. In the picture 1, the bed are black. In the picture 2, the bed are red. In the picture 1, the flag is on the tent. In the picture 2, the flag is
Not on the tent.
In the picture 1, there are 3 sausages. In the picture 2, there are 3 eggs. In the picture 1, there are
3 pyramids.
3 pyramids. In the picture 2, there are 4 mountains.
So we are going to talk about Ben's and Jill's favorite shops. As you can see, Ben's favorite shop is called Movies Now. What can he buy there? DVDs. Where is the shop? In West Street. When does it open? At 9 a.m. Is it big or small? It's big. I will give you some information about Jill's favorite shop. It's called First News. She can buy comics there. It's in Forest Road. When does it open? At 7 o'clock. Is it big or small? It's small. Okay, what is the name of Jill's favorite shop?
The name shop is First News.
What can she buy there?
Comics.
Where is the shop? It's in?
Forest Road.
When does it open?
At 7 o'clock.
Is it big or small?
It's small.
Excellent. We have a story. The story is called The Dog and the Circus. So what are Anna and Nick doing here?
They are entering the car.
What is the dog doing?
The dog is jumping
Through the window.
The dog is
Running after
the car.
Are they happy?
No.
What is happening here?
The dog is playing with 2 clothes.
Okay, what are Anna and Nick doing now?
They are laughing.
Okay. At what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What do you have for lunch?
I have rice.
Where do you play with your friends?
I play with my friends at home.
What do you do in the evening? Homework, play computer games, watch TV?
I watch TV.
Thank you. Goodbye.